How to make the ultimate Almond Joy Mocha Fumbin Hey sweet friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a cozy, indulgent coffeehouse favorite, right at home Almond Joy Mocha. If you love the classic candy bar with its rich chocolate, nutty almond, and creamy coconut flavors, this drink is about to become your new obsession. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for mornings when you want something a little extra special or as a dessert-style treat any time of day. Grab your mug, fire up that coffee maker, and let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup freshly brewed hot coffee, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon coconut syrup, or coconut milk for a lighter option, 1 tablespoon almond syrup, 3 tablespoons milk or cream, dairy or non-dairy whipped cream for topping toasted coconut flakes and sliced almonds for garnish. Optional chocolate shavings or cocoa powder directions. Start by brewing 1 cup of hot coffee and pouring it into your favorite mug. While the coffee is still hot, stir in the chocolate syrup until fully dissolved and rich. Next, add the coconut syrup and almond syrup, mixing well so all those flavors blend together beautifully. Warm your milk or cream slightly, then pour it into the mug and stir until the mocha is smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. This drink is all about balance. Finish by topping your Almond Joy Mocha with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Sprinkle toasted coconut flakes and sliced almonds on top for that signature candy bar vibe. For an extra touch of chocolate, add shavings or a light dusting of cocoa powder. And just like that, you've got a safety-style Almond Joy Mocha made right at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More delicious coffee creations are coming your way. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.